Hello and welcome to Big Spenders, your weekly dose of indulgence in all ultra luxurious and ultra stylish things in life. You use them every day, you have enough of them and you can't live without them. Yet they have evolved from just being an accessory to a style statement. Yes, we are talking about pens and the very luxurious ones at that. And as always, Big Spenders brings to you the first look of an exclusive, one-of-its-kind boutique, William Penn, the World Pen Store. Take a look.
The pen, they say, is mightier than the sword. Well, more exclusive and luxurious for sure. If you are on the lookout for something that will add a dash of flair and luxury to your written word, this is the place for you to come.
William Penn. The World Pen Store has just opened up its newest and most prestigious store at the exclusive Grand Galleria Mall. A collection of the world's best brands combined with a luxurious store setting is sure to attract the patronage of the city's glitterati. The list of brands housed in this store reads of names like Sheaffer, Pelikan, Porsche Design, Caran d'Ache and Waterman. Brands like Sailor that make the smoothest nib in the world are also nestled here. Take a look at this unique wooden barrel body beauty, for instance. We decided to pick out some of the most exclusive pens in this store and tell you a little about what makes them special. Let's start with the Aurora. Dedicated to the globe's rising power, Asia, this Italian-made pen's body is made of variegated green marble resin. If you were to look closely at the ring of the pen, you will see various Asian motifs delicately engraved in 18-karat gold. The lotus is for India, the pakoras for Japan, the yin-yang for China being some of them. With precious jade on the head of the cap, this pen truly commands its price tag of 25,875 rupees. Then comes the Churchill. A tribute to Lord Winston Churchill, his wit and wisdom, and his famed love for cigars. This classic black pen is designed in the shape of a cigar. The fountain pen still uses the now rare traditional lever ink filling mechanism. It comes packaged in a satin luxury box accompanied by a Churchill cigar and a witty book of Churchill quotes. This limited edition of 1,000 pieces will cost you 36,000 rupees. Next up is the very exclusive Caran d'Ache from Switzerland. Notice this intricate work on the body of the pen. Its artwork has been done by a Swedish jeweler, Edvard Jude. One of only 30 pieces in the world, this limited edition pen has 10 different avatars of Lord Ganesha lovingly engraved in 22-karat gold on its body. This 92.5 sterling silver pen with its prestigious jade cap sets you back by a good 4,50,000 rupees. Now for the pièce de résistance of this store. This Sheaffer Stars of Egypt limited edition pen is an 18-karat gold fountain pen with a gold inlaid nib. This particular pen is the 9th of only 30 pieces available worldwide. The engraving on the pen brings alive the connection between ancient Egyptian mythology and the art of writing. Packed in a luxurious box with gold-plated side panels also comes with a customized clear crystal inkwell. All this at a price tag of 9,50,000 rupees. Besides these beauties, the store also offers the luxury-seeking consumer an appropriate ambience to shop for their writing instruments.
Started designing our store, we said the customer needs to feel nice. Okay, customer needs to feel special. Customer needs to feel nice and comfortable shopping over here. So definitely the pens are the heroes. Okay, so we wanted to make the pens larger than life. So if you look at the store, all the focus and attention is on the writing instrument.
What also makes the store a must-visit destination is its very interesting collection of desk accessories. Men's accessories and old-fashioned quills, or pens that your great-great-grandfather would have written with. Truly collector's items that you could add to your pen shopping basket.
That's all that money can buy for you, at least for this week, but do send us your feedback and suggestions. You can write into us at bigspenders@ndtv.com. You could also SMS us at big space your message and send it to 56388. And next week, we'll be back with a special treat of luxury for your Valentine. So till then, goodbye and keep shopping big.